how to activate and update the Divi theme in WordPress. If you haven't installed Divi yet, you can access it with the link in the description to their website, and also check out our video on how to download it before watching this one. Now, in your WordPress dashboard, click on the Appearance menu in the left-hand corner of your screen, and then select the Themes option. In the Themes section, locate the Divi theme and click the Activate button. Upon activating the Divi theme, you will notice that the Divi menu option appears in the left-hand menu. To confirm that your page has changed to the Divi theme, click your name in the top left corner of your screen and then click Visit Page. As you can see, the page has now changed to the Divi theme. This means we have successfully activated the Divi theme. Now, if you want to update your Divi theme, go back to the WordPress dashboard and click the Divi menu that appeared earlier. In the Divi menu, select the Theme options in the pop-up menu. Within the Divi theme options, locate the Updates menu and click on it. You will need your username and API key to update your Divi theme. You can find these in your Elegant Themes account. To do that, go to the Elegant Themes webpage and click on Account. Then, select the Username and API key option from the drop-down menu. Scroll down the page and you will find your username and API key. All you need to do is click on the username and API key code to copy it, then paste it into the respective fields in WordPress. Once entered, click the Save Changes button to update your Divi theme.